USANA's dedication to innovation and its mission to empower individuals to feel confident and radiant in their own skin. The Celavive Resurfacing Serum is a breakthrough in skincare designed to gently exfoliate, renew, and reveal a brighter, smoother complexion. And with this serum, USANA combines the power of nature and science to help you achieve that effortless, radiant glow. So we're not going to be sharing with you all the nitty-gritty details because you do have your pamphlets on the table so you can read more about it. For now, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this evening filled with beauty, innovation, and inspiration. So thank you again for being a part of this very special occasion. To officially open this transformative evening, it is my great honor to introduce someone whose leadership and passion continue to drive USANA Philippines to new heights. As the General Manager of USANA Philippines, she has been instrumental in inspiring innovation and creating opportunities for many Filipinos to achieve healthier, more radiant lives. Please join me in welcoming Miss Cherry Apig!
Titignan ko lahat. But let us take in this moment for a while. Let's take a moment to look at the people around you. Sige po, pwede po natin gawin. Take a look at the people around you. What is undeniably a gathering of the most gorgeous men, tama ba? And most fabulous women here at USANA. Palakpakan natin yung sarili natin for dressing up and showing up tonight. Ang gaganda. Ganda pala ng white, no? Kaya nakikita talagang radiant na radiant tayo ganito. But tonight, it's not just simply about beauty. It's not just about elegance. It's not just about radiance. It is actually about opportunity, self-care, and stepping into a world of brighter tomorrow para sa atin, both literally and figuratively. Brighter future, and you, brighter skin. Tama? Okay, now, let me ask you this question. Kanina tinatanong ko si Joyce, iba yung sagot niya. Meron ba kayo masagot? When was the last time that you have been unapologetically confident about yourself? That when you look into the mirror, ito yung sinasabi mo, wow, girl, ang ganda mo. Lagi bang ganon? Lagi bang ganon?
No, girl,
talaga ba? Oo, sabi niya. Kasi tinatanong ko siya kanina, sabi niya, everyday. Di ba? Okay. Kasi di ba, there are many times when we look at the mirror, medyo critical tayo sa sarili natin eh. We tend to see flaws, tama? Okay, so, naisip ko kanina, I was looking at the mirror, so sabi ko kanina, I included my talk, na instead of seeing lines sa forehead natin, we probably can think that we are seeing wisdom or years of experience, tama? Or when we are seeing sunspot, ako marami akong sunspot actually, maybe we can think of we're seeing hard work, or toil, or grind. Or maybe when we're seeing eye bags, yeah, maraming tayo yan. Maybe we can think about the hours that we spend on personal development. So, iba yung perspective natin. So, that is what we're going to do tonight. We are going to celebrate everything that makes you, you. Okay? Pwede ba yun? Sige, palamakan natin yung mga sarili natin. So, tonight po, I am very proud and thrilled to officially introduce to you to our newest addition. To our already, marami tayong roster of premium products and highly effective products. But tonight, the addition that you see here is our newest skincare line, or newest part of our skincare, which is the USANA Celavive Resurfacing Serum. Excited ba sa lahat? Excited ba? Nakagamit na kaya lahat? I'm sure. Kasi Francis, ako Sir Francis, lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, ay either bumili yan ng 10s or 5s. And then mga invites nila yung mga kasama nila. But, sabi ko nga, itong night na to, hindi lang siya about beauty. There are 3 things that I would like to talk about. The first is that our shared purpose on self-care. Lahat naman lagi natin yung naririnig. Second is that Yusana's commitment to each of you to make this your room a success or a part of your journey. And the third is that how are you going to make this your room a part of your business or something that will drive your business growth. Pwede ba? Okay. So the first, sabi ko dito, self-care. Pag naririnig natin yung self-care, do you think that as Yusana Associates, important or vital sa ginagawa natin yung self-care? Yes? Yeah? Okay. Why? Bakit kaya? Why? Because when we have self-care and we do self-care, we are actually showing people that our products work. Tama? We are the walking advertisements. We are the walking ambassadors or walking examples of our products. Every time I have a meeting or meetings with associates, I would always tell them, people would know if you're using the product or not. Especially with this one. There is Surfacing Serum. When I look at you, and we talk, especially if I'm already using the product, I would know if isang pump ka lang. Or dalawang pump yung ginagawa.